Good evening, everybody. Pro Trader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading, looking at the MOJO Day Trading show. Thank you for joining me this evening. I'm going to fill the night with some edutainment, a lot of education, and some entertainment. Sounds good to me. Sounds good. Let's get into some action right here. Talking about today's winner, 333% winner, Tech, symbol MTC, picked at 390 in the MOJO Day Trade Room, ran to $10.50. That's not in a month. That's not in a year. That's not in a half a century. That's in a half a day, folks. Yeah, believe it or not. Same thing happened 2 days ago with Arcadia Biosciences. Let's take a look over in the MOJO Day Trading Room, shall we? Should we?
Maybe.
I say yeah, let's do it.
Yes.
All right, let's go. Let's check it out right here. We'll scroll on up to the beginning of the day. A little bit of action. We'll go through what happened. Just like you, we're in the MOJO Day Trading Room. And I got a special announcement at the end of this video you'll be watching. Love it right now. Let's check it out. Make sure I'm on the right screen. Check my systems. All right, I am live. Welcome, everybody. Thank you. Nice. So let's scroll on up. Now, you could have came in at any time of the day and done some trading with us. It was 9:30 in the morning. Arcadia from the night before did real good. And here we go at 7:54 in the morning. And good morning, shall we? We have a cup of coffee just like we do right now. And we can listen live by clicking in on the chat right here. See how my name comes up right there? You click on that, and then you disconnect just like that. That's how we do that. Nice. So you click on that, you get to the chat. Good morning, Mr. Rentoria and Mr. J.D. Ramey. Hey, when Ramey likes a stock, it's going to be a winner, folks. This guy's an unbelievable pro trader in the room. J.D. right there at 27.16 pre-market, up $2.32 to 29.48. For surely that's going to be a winner. Shirley. You know Shirley? Who will make her a winner? Futures red, UVXY action today. Learning how to trade stocks like a professional is a lifelong talent that can afford you financial freedom and independence. A lot of security there. Everyone should learn how to day trade stocks for passive income and swing trade stocks for longer term profits. This is a once in a lifetime offer. If you become a member today of the chat room or swing trade newsletter or both, you'll be able to pay nothing for the online courses. These things have been retailing for $14.97. They're yours for free today. That's an unbelievable promo right there. You can join, dude, today you can join one service and get both, the $149 and the con. Yeah, but no one did that. I got to take that off the table. I ain't doing that. That ain't happening. Right here, comic strip. Follow the best, and if you come close to that performance, you're doing very well. In the stock market, you should subscribe to Mojo Swing Trade newsletter. Pro Trader Mike's the best stock picker and market timer in the business. It just goes to show you, because watch MTC today, folks. Here's RIBT swing pick at 278. Rice Brain coming out with earnings after the close. They did $3.2 million 4 quarters ago. Then they increased the revenues to $3.5 million, $9 million for a half a year, then $4.6 million, and a record $6.4 million. So look at the progression. Imagine if they come in on these earnings more than $6.4 million, they're going against $3.2. That'll be a 100% increase. The stock should react and go up very nicely. They came out with earnings today, and yes, they did a 94% increase in revenues. So they went from 44% to 79% to 94%. This baby is going to rock and roll. And I'm the analyst that picked it before the earnings and the move because I know the progression. Expecting 6.4 plus million versus 3.2. Funny, same as YCBD. Pick number one, 100% increase. Float 33 million and the funds already own 6%. There it is, 280 by 95. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Has a conference curl after the close. Ribbit, ribbit. All right, DCPH news. Here we go. JD 29, folks. 2887, 2890, 2897. Scott, you can get the screen share tomorrow. 680.97. Arcadia, big yesterday. 680, 697. You guys, a little bit of risk. JD right there. Calling out trades at 932 right off the open. So we're going to get JD at 2827. He's in Arcadia, but we're not. So 2827, we're in JD. JD sold 2850. Okay, nice job on JD. Now we're in again. You ready? 2865, 2870. 3518, 35, that's UVXY possibly. DMPI. Here's DMPI, look good this morning. MNNF. Here's this one went 225, 230, 232, 234, 235, 238, 240. Sell it. JD's rocking. JD 2874 from 2824. It's a 50-cent move on JD in 10 minutes. JD like this, pin message. Each morning there's a stock when the market opens that's super strong with volume and trend higher. We stick to the Heinz pricing and the wow effect, and we should be good for many, many years ahead. Many years ahead. So we got APPS, possible Heinz at 690. JD rocking. 2908 JD. JD. Sell it. 2919 on JD. Sell that JD. Let's take a look at what JD did in the beginning of the day and how it rocked. Let me go to my chart. Let me go to 10. Here's my main screen. Chart on the right here where the mouse is going flickety, flickety, flickety. See it? Here's the open. You ready? We watched the open. It dipped, and we got it at 28.27 right off that red bar. See it? 28.16 is the low. Got it right in there, and then that shizzle dizzle rocked. Look at that baby rock. 28.40, 50, 70, 80, 28, 92, 97, 29, 2909. We sold it at 19 right there. Not at the tippy top. Didn't catch the ultimate bottom, but we caught all that in between. It's real nice. Then it dipped. We got in again, and she rode up all day long to 31. Huge. That's huge. Huge winner. Huge winner. So that's the huge winner in the morning, up on crazy volume. 46 million shares she traded. Shirley. We'll call her Shirley. Great. 2920 Mojo style. And we're out. Great job, Rhodesy. ATM that baby. Good. Each morning there's a stock when the market opens. I told you that's super strong with volume and will trend higher. We're going to stick to that for the wow effect and be good for many years ahead, folks. Told you. CVS 160. We're not doing CVS today. So here's the move on JD. Holding above the moving average. Caught it off the red bar. Beautiful. See it above the moving average line. Staying it above. Stay it above. Staying it above. Great trade on JD. 699 right there on Mr. Apis. And UVXY right there, 1,000 shares, 33.18. You made $600 on the UV in half an hour. So $600, 1,000 shares of UV, and you were in the other trade too. You're in JD. take $600 and times it by 20 days. $12,000. So yes, you could take UVXY right here. Ching, I know exactly where it is. It's 3818 by 24. Stock made a big, big down, then a big, big up, then a big, big down, then a big, big up, then a big, big down, and a big, big up, and a big, big down. I guess the next one's a big, big up. Hey, sounds good to me. That's how we play UVXY. With a big, big down and a big, big up, and it ended on a big, big down. So we traded that, and it was actually down $4, 11.5%, as the market was up 400 points, and Facebook was up, and Apple's up $9. Wow, Tesla, Apple's up $9. Look at the 15-minute chart on that. Oh, that was all in the morning, and then it flagged all day. So from the open, it went 201 to 211. What was the news on Apple? We're going to have to take a look over in the Mojo room. So in the Mojo room, we'll just catch up to a little right here. So we got this MTC, and then I'll show you how we get news on the stocks. Actually, there should be some news right here. Nope. So check it out. Here it comes, MTC. And I'm going to send out a newsletter and a text alert from now on. That's going to be the new added service to the swing. When something comes up like MTC's flying, Sully mentioned it. I give him congratulations on that. I looked at it right here. Said, yeah, MTC just hinds 5, but there's a huge spread. When there's a huge spread, you got to take it for what it is. There's a little secret that I teach all the traders in the Mojo room. You want it?
Yeah. Well, yes.
Sure?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
There's 2 secrets in this level 2. Pro traders probably see it who have taken my courses. Hi, Sarah. I'll teach you a little bit about the level 2. Take a quick look. Boom. Where's the biggest number? At 520. You know she's going through that. But there's a big spread at 489 by 510. So if Shell, Allah, they buy the ask with that big spread, it's going higher. So yeah. And check it out. 502. There's a 300 that comes up. Holy moly, he wants to get filled. He did. It's 486 again. Something is going on with this stock. It's 10:23 in the morning, and I'm sending out a text message to all the traders. That's going to be the bomb. Wow. Some guys are going to be like in services. They just got a pick from the moderator in the room. Man, he's like, woo, he's out. He's like, damn, he made money. He's out. There's 100,000 traders in this room. This one right here. And damn, he made money. Oh, man, he's out? What do you mean he's out? I'm still in. Oh, man, it's going down. What the hell? What? What are you talking about? It's going down. Oh, man, I just lost $3,000 on that trade. God damn, man, sick. Boom, crazy. Alan's sitting there trading like this. That's how Alan trades right there. Can't believe the level 2. Can't beat it, man. $5. Something's going on, guys. Look, sweet. They're really fooling around with this one. $4.95. Big size there. He was just took in 30,000. Now he's on the ask, pushing it down to get more. Then he pops that baby back up. Mike, you buying MTC? I get a message it's not tradable. Yeah, you can't trade it in there. To that one, but Arcadia you can. MTC's crazy. Boom, wow, there it goes. $7.26. Look, 5. Something's going on. 518. Mike sent out the text. You guys are in on the texting service, in on the Swing Trade newsletter. Send it out. You open up your TD Ameritrade, your E-Trade, your Fidelity, your Charles Schwab, your Toro, your Robinhood, your Cobra, your Trade Station, your Speed Trader, your any of them firms, and you're pressing the symbol MTC, and it comes up at $5, and you're like, damn, Mike just sent out a text. I'll buy myself 1,000 of them babies, maybe even 2,000, because Arcadia the other day at $290, that thing went to like $6, $7, $8. Maybe I'll buy 3,000. Damn, Mike's on the money. Okay, let's do that. Bam, 3,000. Put 15 grand in the trade. I'll risk $500 because I made a couple thousand the other day. Okay, let's do it. Bang, 518. Bang, 726. Holy Magolis. From 1039 to 1047, he's that good. Did he send out that text message and everybody jumped in that shit? Holy mama mia.
Maybe yes, maybe no.
Pretty damn good. Did you get in on that? It's insane.
Yeah.
Alan did.
Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an yeah.
I saw Alan selling it 4 times today on EdgeX. See EdgeX, EDGX? That's like Ameritrade, E-Trade, Scottrade, all the trades, they come up like that. So check it out. You ready? Told you something was going on. UV back up 32.80, 84.87. MTC's insane, going through $8. Wow, I said it at 7. That's one of the secrets of the perfect trading system. When you say wow, that stock's going higher, folks. Yep. $8 went to 10. Went to 10. It went to 10 from 727. You bought it at 5, 3,000 shares, sold 1,000 at 7, sold 1,000 at 8, you sold 1,000 at 9, and 500 at 10. You banked dollars. That's like 3,000 shares on 2.5 points. You made like 7 G-bones today, right? Pro Trader Cash, brand new to the room. Just became a subscriber of the Swing Trade newsletter and the MOJO chat room for $199 a month. Did the combo pack, has both courses, and is loving it. I'm coaching her right along, mentoring her. She's live trading. I'm telling her when to buy, when to sell, when to lock in the profits, when not to trade, when to push the trigger, how to do it, when to do it. That's what I do for the room. I'm coaching up from the press box, calling out the picks. There you go. Bam, $9. Look, $8. $9. $9. It goes to 10.
Oh, damn, baby. Oh, damn, baby. Oh, damn, baby. Oh, damn, baby.
Yeah, but it doesn't just go to 10. It goes to $13.35, folks. $13. $13 it went to. From 9. Can you believe it? Look at the run it made. It went from 5 to 9. And then it went to $13.35. Yep. Pro Trader Cash. I'm out. Make your money and get out. So check it out. Copied from another chat. I'm gonna read up tonight. Might be something. Novartis. Okay. She's giving a little potential on some information. I love the sharing in the room. I love it. Don't be shy, even if it's wrong information, because it's shared, and if it gets corrected, you can learn from that information, which happens, and I'll show you later on in the day, because it's only 11:22. Not even lunchtime, folks. And here comes JD again, as MTC is at the high of day at 950. 950. It's crazy. That's like her saying, wow. It goes higher to 13. 960 from 250. Incredible. What's the best way to ask your questions? Send me an email. Yes, it's illogical. It's a badass pick, just like Arcadia. Each day we hit the biggest winners in here. It's a shame we don't have more traders joining up. Yes, it's 100% illogical. Spock would be in here because it's logical. This is happening. The same is happening in all the chat rooms. they all took my course or some reiteration of it since 2011 at one time under some alias and quit after 30 minutes and 2 trades. What they do is most of the other rooms quit after 30 minutes and 2 trades. After the moderators front run the room by buying a small piece of shit gap up on Trade Ideas Scanner and then calling it to the room and being done for the day on their way to $1 million from nothing. And then half the room gets stuck with a piece of crap. That's how they lost on Arcadia and all these stocks, these chat rooms. I can't believe it. How can you lose on MTC and Arcadia? It's going through 10. It's at 992. It goes to 1335. Amazing call. Bam. 1010, 1035, 1040. 1049 is Allen selling right there. See it? And he's like, you better ask somebody. Yeah, boy. Is it?
Maybe?
Yeah, baby.
Yes. Well, yeah.
1030, 1065. Bam. And he's in JD making a roll. Why day trade? Do you know the average American worker makes $55,775 a year? That's $4,467 a month and $232 a day. Take a look at that. You made 3 times that amount just on the first JD trade and the first UVXY trade. Not to forget about the 7,000 that you made, and Trader Paul made 2,900 today. Arcadia 2,700. Team made 8,000. 3 traders on Arcadia. Yeah, buddy. Oh, my little dachshund. Sit on my lap. All right. So now, and I could share that newsletter. Put it away. Anyway, they did. Everyone made a bunch of beautiful money, and it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. That's kind of old school. This is the new school. When you're on Easy Street, baby. MTC, Option Hog loved MTC. And he does options. Maybe he'll turn into some stocks and realize MTC at 1066 by 95 going through 11 is a pretty damn good pick, man. Same as Arcadia from 250 to 9. Here's MTC in a rail grind all the way from 253 to 1050, folks. It's a 333% gainer. And here's how you pull up the news. You price pound, exclamation point news, MTC. They announced a private offering of 120 million convertible security notes, and they got a 49% interest in something. Who knows? All I know is it had a lot of volume, a lot of momo, and it went up huge, and we nailed it. And he couldn't trade it on his platform, so he asked what platform, and you can trade it on E-Trade, Ameritrade, Scottrade, any of those trades. So here you go, 11.15, 11.60 into 12. Do you remember the screenshots of the large share buys? I said something was going on. Remember that? It's stupid already. $13, folks. And if this guy doesn't join the room after that, he's going to get banned. He actually joined Sully. I had a guy join my MOJO course and log in and try to get the course, but didn't pay. And now he's in the room kind of doing the same thing. So if he comes back, you can't keep on being here for free. Everything's for free, but you got to join first. You can't be in the room for free and get the courses for free and don't make all the money and do all that. So, he logged in right there, logged into Mojo University, tried to get the online course, but I stopped it, and you haven't replied back. So if you don't, I'm gonna have to ban. He said, "Wow, nice." And this is where I mentioned to him the other day at 8:33. I said, "Welcome back. I see you try to get into the Mojo. Are you looking to take the courses? I'm offering a special to get them for free." And he never answered back. And I said, "You messaged me. It's not like, wow, I'm not mean. It's rude that I messaged you right there. You never answer me, and all you do is come in here and take credit for MTC. Is kind of rude. It's the number one gainer of the day. You really can't take credit for that. It's the number one gainer." And as I didn't lose anything, and that could happen. You're new. You've already been a Mojo trader, so instead of rejoining, you here for free. So it ain't gonna work. That's all the wow. So a little a little problem in the room there. And then questions about where people are trading the MTC. And then it fell from 1335 to 985. And then I picked it off here. So here's the buy. It got crushed. Watch the timing, the market timing. So 1335, you could have bought it. Where'd you rebuy it? Where'd you rebuy it? I bought it right there at the bottom. See it at 985? Right there, 977 to 82. This may be the stopping station for the bounce back up. Haven't said anything about it since it was at 1335. So we got in at 82, and there it goes, $10, 10, 15, 20, 1057. Sell some at 1090. Damn right, flat ass. Great trade, man. Made you right there from 980 to 1090. Sell it. Sell it right there, 1102. You got filled, 1115 by 16. Beautiful. Off the bottom right there, calling the Mojo room. Did you get that? Yeah, I don't think so. Mojo did. Mojo did. Thanks, Brandon. You did. Good job. And here's the Mojo show that I told you I was going to be doing tonight at 9 p.m. because it would be hot in the Mojo room. And pro traders realize day trading is a marathon and not a sprint. They've all taken my course 5 times. The average pro trader's with me for 5 years, 4 years. They like high probability day trades that work with conviction at certain prices. You can make a nice profit on the trade, as profiting a few times a day is enough for your account to grow steadily each day, each week, and each month of the year. Pro traders have a system that's based on selective attention and positive expectancy. Pro traders have an easy to follow bankroll management rule that applies directly to the overall account and share size per the trade play. And as a matter of fact, today, if you follow on my Twitter, you'll see one of the posts that I did was actually on bankroll management and the system. Check this out, man. There's my Twitter right there. Let's go check this out. Let's see what we got going on. So we're going to look right there. Going to scroll down. Bankroll management, my blog post. There it is. See, blog post. Check this out. I told you. What a coincidence, huh? Here we go. Let's click this. Go to the MOJO Day Trading website. And here's my blog post on bankroll management, man. Did you know if you lose 10%, you only got to make back 11? But if you lose 50, you're done. You got to make back 100%. That's a lot, man. Let's go to refresh the page. Some elements didn't work. I guess I got a lot of people on my website. It's not loading right now. A lot of people reading about the bankroll management. Well, you should go read that. Absolutely. Great idea. Got a lot of people on that. So I'll retweet that. You can go check that out. And Yiko, this was a sick low float killer in the MOJO Day Trading room that we bought at 2 and sold at 11. Kind of just like MTC. So if you bought 1,000 shares for $2,000 and rode the rail just like MTC when I put it out at 5? And you sold it at 10? I put it out at 3 and you sold it at 10. This one, same thing. It'd be worth $10,000 trade. Rail grind strategy taught in MOJO U right there, just following that baby along. We've been doing this for a long time. This was Yico. This was a long time ago. Low float killer. You can click this link and watch it right there on the YouTube. Right there. Yico low float killer right there. So go ahead and give my video a like, subscribe. Look, there's my competition. That's why I don't like watching them videos. My competition on them. They do so much advertising. Puts us little guys like me out of shame. But I'm the only guy that's going to send out them live text messages, guys. No doubt. I'm the only guy doing that. I'm the only guy calling out the MTC, rail grinding. I'm the only guy doing that. And then we got pro traders are risk adverse and know when not to place trades. That's called a FOFL. FOFL. Everybody know what a FOFL is? Right here. I'll show you real quick. Get a big pen. It's FOFL. It means to fold. Don't do the trade. It's a misspelling, like hodl. Hodl, there was a drunken blog person in crypto that really wanted to hold all the crypto. And in his post, he made a spelling error, which is famous right now, and that's the word hodl. So in the Mojo room, I use the word FOFL. A little funny in the Mojo room. And there we go. So BBR, and the amateurs realize day trading is a quick riches in making scores, and they're sprinters, they're not marathoners. They place trades at any price, leading to overtrading and losses. And amateurs are risky, don't know when to stop, have no patience and overtrade. Winning makes them confident. Amateurs, nothing is recorded in their journals. You guys trade options? Yeah, actually the larger stocks like Twitter, Apple, Facebook, CVS, Target, and the like all trade options. So you can for sure do that. And when UVXY and the SPY, UVXY call is called, that means the market's going down. You can actually do SPY puts and calls on the plays on UVXY, and you can also do the diamond options, the DIAs, when the market's going down. So when I call, or Alan calls, or any of the other traders call UVXY long, you can go do a long put on SPY or a long put on the diamonds. That means the market's going to dump, and you should win nicely. And this is like the list of stocks that you could do options on. A lot of all these babies. This is a little main group that we're looking at. He traded the Roku. He likes Alan's video on YouTube on the day trading, and he's loyal to Mike. That's rare in the trading world. Everyone backstabs people. Mike, you're lucky to have Pro Trader Alan. Thank you, Scott. You seem like a great room, the best there is. This is what they're talking about. I said, anytime you want to share an option trade, go for it. Thanks. When the action is not, there's action. When the action is the action, we're active. Otherwise, we chill. Most traders have been here longer than 5 years. Alan likes Alan's video. Thanks. If it was fluff here, we would be like that. But it's the real thing. It's the Mott's, like the applesauce. Mike deserves my loyalty. Oh, thank you. We've been profitable together since 2014. It's now 2019. Great job. There's no fluff in here. You guys are great. Have a good night, mods in the room. Thank you, Scott, for coming today to the Mojo room. Tilray is rocking today, going through $45 on Tilray. The swing trading channel has been updated with all of Sunday's charts and available for download and a look. So if you go here, swing trading channel, you could see, scroll down to the bottom, all the charts, the last 3 newsletters, because they're already out, and all the charts and the research on other picks that I've looked at besides the ones that were in there, and you guys can go check that out anytime. So right here, let's see what we got going on. JD Hines, and again, Pro Trader Cash, new to the room, taking the courses, dream big, go, good job. And one of my swing picks came out with bad earnings. She thought, but it really wasn't, because they came out with bad earnings. It dropped a nickel, but came right back up. Second quarter earnings, Rice Brain Operations generated double-digit growth in the second quarter, and trends remained positive with an acceleration of new customer wins in the early part of the third quarter, an increase in the scale of the business being pursued. Second quarter highlights are $6.2 million, up 94% from $3.2 million in the second quarter of 2018, with the acquisition of Golden Ridge Rice Mills and MGI Grain driving most of the growth. Beautiful. Rice Brain, 278 swing pick. So I was expecting a bigger move of greater than 6 million, right around there, versus the 3.2, a greater than 79, or very nice, and they did a 94% increase. Beautiful. I'm expecting could be nice tomorrow. It's got a smaller float, 33 million and 6% owned by funds. So she said, I'm confused. Says Ribbit missed 11 cents versus 7, and sales of 6.2. The miss of they did 11. Yeah, but we're looking at the revs. They were losing money. They're going from a loss of 78 to a loss of 37. So they are losing money to a loss of 24. But that, when we're looking at the growth. So she needs to keep studying. She won't post anymore. Sorry for saying it was a bad ER. And I wrote, listen, it doesn't matter. Fine, no problem. You're learning the Ken Slim system through Mojo. They did a 94% increase in revs. It's beauty versus 3.2. But don't need to post when I clearly don't know how to read these yet. It's my bad, everyone. I said, you do not need to apologize. Have a great night. We all appreciate the opportunity to learn. And that's what we're doing. Great news announcement. I'm launching a new texting service in the morning. When the market is opening in the 9 to 9:15 range or 10:20 range, I'll be texting out the hottest stock with the biggest volume in gainer for the day, like Arcadia, RKDA, and MMTC, MTC. These would have been great text alerts for working professionals and members of the Swing Trade newsletter or the MOJO chat room. I'll be sending you all a message, and you can add your cell phone number to the list. When I send out the message, you'll get it. Awesome, awesome. Awesome. Perfect. Awesome. Nice live show on Twitter. Thank you, Captain Hawk. My man, Captain Hawk. He's Captain Hook. Captain Hook. Hi, Mr. Hook. There you go. See how nice the room is? So I'll show you some features of the room. Let's say we want to see the news on MTC. So we go news, we go exclamation point, news, space, capital MTC. You ready? Enter. And there's the news. This bot in the room automatically, artificial intelligence, spits all the latest ones out. Now I can put out the float. So you go exclamation point, float, MTC. Gives me the statistics. Its price is $7.34. Shares are 21.55 million. The float is 9.68 million. There you go. You want to see like a chart on it? You go boom, chart, enter. And there's the chart on it right there. Whoa. Sorry, Bobo. Sorry about that, folks. Alrighty. Just chilling here with the pooch tonight. Sorry, little buddy. Oh, it's okay. Here we go. I'm going to trade like a pro. Beautiful. So now we come on back to the room, and that's how that works. And then you have right here the testimonials channel. right here, like Mr. Bohan. He's been with me since 2012 for 7 years. Pays $149 a month for 7 years. And he took MOJO Day Trading 5 times. Paid $2,000 for MOJO Day Trading. The first day Pro Trader Mike invited me into the Mojo room, UVXY was trading like this. I couldn't hardly read the numbers. Later in the day, he asked me, did I like the service? I told him I did, but I couldn't keep up. He invited me back. The next day I joined. I have a guy in the messages, Norby. Norby, if you're listening to this is you, buddy. He invited me back. The first day, that was one of the best calls I ever received. I then joined. So thank you, Mike, for staying on me. What a great 5 years. Bunch of good guys in here. I wish I was younger. I've enjoyed this room so much, all of you. He's been with me for 5 years. Renteria is a millionaire trader in the room. I got lots and lots and lots of testimonials, folks. Over 150 real world testimonials. This guy Randy is in the room every single day.
Great big South Carolina Gamecocks greeting to everyone out in Mojo World. This is Pro Trader Randy chiming in to give a huge, just like we do on game day, go Cox cheer out there to Pro Trader Mike and the entire Mojo trading family. As I've approached the end of a long high school teaching career and looked ahead to the future, I've been unofficially following Pro Trader Mike for a couple of years now. Mostly on a part-time basis, I subscribe to the Swing Trade newsletter and would join the occasional Free Pass Friday inside the Day Trade Chapter. I slowly observed and absorbed as much information as I could, trying to build the confidence needed to make the full jump into the Mojo chat room and Mojo. As I recently finished my 29th year in teaching and realized that I was now at the doorstep of my 30th and final year, I decided it was time to kick my day trade learning process into a higher gear. I contacted Pro Trader Mike a few months ago, outlined my desired scenario for a full year of learning and practice trading, and asked if he thought it was a good idea to go ahead and get started that far in advance of funding a real trading account. I more or less expected Mike to advise me to wait another 9 months or so, sort of assuming that he was too busy to deal with a student looking for such a slow learning process. But boy, was I ever surprised. Mike was understanding of my circumstances, suggested that I go ahead and get started to learn at my own pace, and even worked with me on the Mojo University tuition to make it as easy as possible. Situation living on a teacher's salary and a son in his senior year of college. I've now been through 2 cycles of Mojo University and probably 50 days inside the Mojo chapter. It has truly turned out to be the case that I am a slow and methodical learner with the Mojo system, just as I expected. But Mike's teaching is structured to help a person such as me. I'm able to get multiple opportunities to learn each step along the Mojo pathway. Mike has set up his teaching to appropriately address many different styles and speeds of learning, and he shows a lot of patience with all of his students. Well, now I'm a graduate of Mojo University and have been given the status of Pro Trader. I don't think it's a coincidence that also, within the last week, I've had my first consecutive set of 3 days in which I was profitable with my trading. Now again, I'm still engaged in paper trading and using Mike's demonstration trading platform, but I am gaining confidence each day and moving closer to eventually starting my real account once my 30th year of teaching starts to wind down. I'm using Mike's system. I'm learning to control my emotions as Mike has taught. I'm sequencing my entries and exits the way Mike has instructed me. I'm tapping trades the way Mike has demonstrated and stressed. And I'm journaling my experiences better and more concisely each and every day. Thank you, Mike, for allowing me to join your team, for having patience with me, and for giving me the multiple opportunities that you've had to share your vast trading knowledge with me. So this is Pro Trader Randy giving everyone, once again, a South Carolina Gamecock goodbye.
Nice. Thank you, Randy. He's in the room every single day, guys. Thank you for listening to that. Thank you very much. So I have actually a subscription channel right here, and you could check it out just as he did, but my courses are free. Right now, my day trading course, which resales for $14.97, is yours for free. My swing trading course, which demonstrates the Ken Slim system focused on small cap swing picks that are incredible, is free. 2 hours worth of videos here, 30 hours worth of videos here. These are the same courses that the pro traders have taken for years. There's an October 2017 day trading and a February 2018 day trading course in there that'll knock your socks off and give you 50 aha moments that you won't even believe. That I can guarantee, because it happens 100 out of 100 times. So learning how to day trade stocks like a professional is a lifelong talent that can afford you the financial freedom and independence that you're looking for. Everyone should learn how to day trade stocks for daily passive income and swing trade the stocks for longer term profits. The combination will put you on the path to financial independence. Both of the courses are $14.97. They're yours for free. Go to mojodaytrading.com. Just click the home page and you'll be right there, and then you can make your selection on which course that you want to jump in on. If you want them both, do the combo pack, the day trading and the swing trading with the text alerts. You get both courses. It's $199 a month. I'm pretty sure you'll be with me for a lifetime. My gift to you. What some of the pro traders have to say, Ramey and the other ones, take your pick, and thank you for watching the MOJO Day Trading Show. Peace. Keep it profitable, and I'll see you on the next show. Thank you.